In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate Shopify to enhance your online store's functionality. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just starting out, these steps will ensure you make the most of your e-commerce platform. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin panel and locate your store's homepage. Think of this as your central command hub. It's from here where you'll manage all the various aspects of your store, from inventory to design. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar, and there you'll find an option labeled Pages. This is the section where you'll create new content for your store, such as static informational pages like About Us or contact pages. Click on Pages to proceed. Once you've opened the Pages section, you'll notice a button that says Add Page. Clicking here allows you to start creating a new page for your store. It's a good idea to have a clear plan for the content you want to add before beginning. This could include preparing your text in a document and gathering any images you'd like to include. Now you're going to enter a title for your new page. The title should be both descriptive and concise, giving your visitors an immediate understanding of the page's purpose. This is crucial, as a good title improves not only navigation for your customers, but also your SEO performance. After inputting your page title, remember to hit the Save button. Saving frequently ensures you don't lose any updates or changes you might have just made. It's a simple step, but one that can help avoid potential frustrations later. With your page now saved, let's move on to adding content. Select the option labeled Content to begin fleshing out your page. Here is where you'll add all your text, images, and other media. Make sure to preview your content to see how it appears on different devices. Once the content is carefully crafted and polished, you can enhance your site's navigation by configuring the menu. Navigate over to the Menus section. It's worth noting that a well-organized menu improves customer experience by making it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for without hassle. Click on Main Menu to modify your store's main navigation menu. Inside the main menu, click on Add Menu Item. This will allow you to link your newly created page to the main navigation, making it readily accessible to your audience. Name the menu item something intuitive that reflects the content of the page. Lastly, ensure that both the label, which you'll fill with something like Custom Order, and the link directing to order or another relevant part of your store are correctly set. This will effortlessly guide your customers to the most pertinent parts of your site. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Shopify to create a new page and linked it to your store's main menu. Following these steps will aid in improving user experience and enhancing your store's overall functionality. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy selling.